Hey friends, so today we're going to talk about cross multiplying to compare and why it works. So when I was in school, I basically learned that I was supposed to do something called cross multiplying, and basically it would help me determine if a fraction, which one was greater, which one was less, or if they were equal. So I would say 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 4 is 12, so that means that this fraction is greater because it has a 12 right there. Okay, I didn't know why that worked. I just knew that my teacher told me to do it and that it did work. Okay, so what we're trying to get the students to understand is why this concept works. Okay, so basically what's happening here is I'm getting common denominators. Okay, I'm comparing the same size pieces when I do that. So when I said 3 times 4 is 12, this would be my numerator. Okay, and my denominator would be 4 times 5, which is 20. Here, the same thing has actually happened. 2 times 5 is 10. That, again, is my numerator. My denominator is now 20. Okay, so if I compared 10 twentieths and 12 twentieths, it's easy to see that 12 twentieths is larger. Okay, so we're having our students write an extra step down. Okay, I don't want them just to write 10 and 12. I want them to realize, hey, we're comparing numbers, fractions that have the same denominator. Okay, so here I would do 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, my denominator is now going to be 8 times 4, which is 32. 32. Okay, so 16 30-seconds and 16 30-seconds, those things are equal. So I would call them equivalent fractions. Okay, now I'm going to do the same concept down here. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, again, that's my numerator. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, and my new denominator, because I'm comparing these fractions, is 4 times 5, which is 20 and 20. Okay, so it's easy to see now that if I have 5 twentieths and 12 twentieths, which one is greater? That one. Okay, so this is just one strategy that the students are learning to compare fractions. There's many others, but this is just cross multiplication, how it works and why it works.